Hey my creators, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, we are going to be making a seafood boil salad or a seafood salad, shrimp and crab salad, whatever you want to call it. So to start, we're going to need some mayonnaise, some vinegar, some sugar, some elbow macaroni, or you can do the little twirly pasta or the bow tie pasta, whatever type of pasta you want. Some crab meat. I have some blue crab meat here, you guys, and then I have some organic shrimp. You don't have to have organic, that's just what I have here. It was on sale. Then I have some peppers, some onions, some green onions, some garlic, some Creole seasoning, dill weed, Old Bay. Of course, this is like the clutch. That's what y'all need for this one for sure. And I have some Mrs. Dash, some paprika, some black pepper, and some parsley. All right, y'all, let's get it. All right, you guys, so to start, I forgot to say you're gonna need Himalayan salt, but because y'all watch my videos, or if you new, y'all know I use Himalayan salt for all of my cooking. Okay, it has a lot of benefits, a lot of minerals, a lot of natural adjectives that are better for you. Okay, so to start, of course, you are going to need to salt your water and put in your elbow macaroni. You are going to want to cook these al dente, you guys, okay? So not too soft, not too hard. So I would say maybe about, I'm going to cook these on medium high for about 20 minutes, okay? Okay, so we're going to get on to the shrimp. Now for the shrimp, y'all, you guys can do the shrimp a lot of different ways. However way you want to do it, go ahead. But how I'm doing mine today is I just salted my water and I'm going to boil my shrimp. The reason why I'm going to boil my shrimp is because I want the shrimp to have just a little crunch to it, and I feel like if I was to saute it, it'd be more mushy. To each his own with that. Hi Daniel, can you say hey YouTube? I see, it looks great. Can you say hey YouTube? Hey YouTube. Yeah, good job. Hey YouTube. Okay you guys, so the shrimp you want to boil for about 10 minutes or so. You know, it does not take shrimp long to cook at all. These do have the peel on them still, so I'm going to peel them once they get cooked. Put the seasoning on them. Stay tuned, my creators. Woo! Giving all y'all that smoke. Okay, guys, so now in the same pot, just rinse it out. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in there. Okay, and then we're gonna saute these peppers as well as the onions. And you don't want them to be soggy, y'all, but you do want them to have just a little bit of crunch to them. So I have my heat on medium high, and I'm going to let these saute for about 5 minutes or so. No more than that, okay? My shrimp came out looking nice. They shrunk up, but you want them to be a bite-sized piece anyway, okay? So to that pepper mix, you're gonna wanna put in some garlic, okay? Garlic is optional, but garlic has a lot of health benefits to it. Very good to cook with. The flavors are, oh my goodness, garlic makes everything better to me. Okay, so put in a little bit of your salt, Himalayan salt, sea salt, whatever type of salt you're using. I hope you guys are having a great day. My day's going well. I worked early this morning, got the day out the way, and it's actually only 2 o'clock here, which means I'm getting this started early because with this seafood salad, you are going to want to cook it earlier so it can, you know, refrigerate and cool down. This is a little bit of the Tony's Creole seasoning, okay? And I like layering my seasonings, as you guys know. In my other videos, you guys might see that a lot, me layering my seasonings. Just tastes better. Okay, a little paprika or a lot of paprika, whatever you want. Cool. Okay, So I'm just gonna let these saute for a little bit longer, then we're gonna cut the heat off, y'all. Again, don't make them too soggy because this is a seafood salad. You want it to have a little crunch, not too hard, but not too soft. All right, y'all, stay tuned. You say, hi, my name is Daniel. Okay, all right, you guys. So I went ahead and drained the noodles off. Yes, we have a special guest in the house. Daniel came to join us. Yep. All right, wait a second, Dan. So we're gonna put the pepper mix in. Okay. Okay. Keep it in the bowl. Keep it in the bowl. Slow down. Slow down, son. Okay. Keep it in the bowl. Okay. You got it? No, this is pasta salad. Okay, so we're gonna put some Tony Creole seasoning in there, and then a big part, excuse me, y'all. A big part of this is the Obey seasoning. It has to have a lot of Obey seasoning, y'all, because that's part of the. Slow down, son. That's part of the. Yeah, that's part of the mix. Okay, then we have our green onions. Okay, can you spread that out, son? Take this out. Okay, mix that up for us. Then we're gonna put just a few shakes of the dill weed in there. I really don't like dill weed that much, you guys. Slow down. But it's okay. We're gonna put some parsley in there for the color. Because parsley is cool, but it don't do too much more than add color to stuff. Okay? Then we're going to put in, hold on, son. We're going to put in, nope, this is vinegar. Just a teaspoon of the vinegar, okay? The white vinegar, right? Now, I know this is a teaspoon, y'all. Just a teaspoon of sugar.
Sugar?
Yeah, teaspoon of sugar. Oh, Jesus, y'all see him? He just flicking things out of my bowl. Okay.
I'm making noodles.
Okay, yes you are. Now slow down. Alright? Then we're going to put some mayo in there. Now some people like their mayo, they use different types of mayo, and some people don't like putting that much in there. But for me, I'm using about 1.5 cups of the mayo. Okay. We're going to be mixing that up. Make sure that we get every corner. Might have to go back and add some more mayo in just a second. Go slow, son. Okay.
Look at making noodles.
Yeah, making noodles. Y'all, he catches me with these videos. I promise you. I am not telling him to come and get in these videos. He just comes over and he wants to come and do these videos. But we got to raise him up right. So someday he's going to be a father and a husband. So he needs to learn how to cook. Why not start now? Keep it in the bowl. Okay? Okay. So we have the crab meat, y'all. Look at this crab meat. Just look at that. That is a lot of crab meat. So we're not going to use all of it because I know later this week I'm going to want, hold on son. Later this week I'm going to want some crab cakes. So I say use about half of the container. I was surprised at this price too, y'all. It was only $12.99. $12.99 for some crab meat. And this is the real lump crab meat. It's not imitation. Yeah, I don't like imitation crab meat. Okay? Alright, and then lastly, you guys, we're just going to put some shrimp in there. Okay? So we're going to mix this up. Hold on, son. Let me get in there. Let me help you. Okay? You like making videos? You like making videos? Danny? What's wrong? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Alright. Okay, so that looks pretty good, you guys. Let's go ahead and taste this. Hold on. Go ahead and taste this. How about you taste?
It's tasty.
Yeah, it's tasty. How you know? You didn't need to taste it. Okay. Okay.
It.
All right. Thank you. All right, we're gonna taste test this, y'all.
I take a salt.
Mm-hmm.
No, I take a salt.
That's exactly what I'm looking for, y'all. Now I am gonna go back in here and put just a little bit more salt. That's why I like Himalayan salt, because it doesn't really add saltiness. It just gives it flavor. You ain't gotta be worrying about high blood pressure and all that. Okay? And you guys, this is it. This is it right here. Go ahead and put it in the, don't know what I want to say. Go ahead and put it in the microwave. Not in the microwave, y'all. Put it in the refrigerator. Just for a couple of hours and you'll be good. Happy Memorial Day weekend, my creators. Until next time, thank you for watching my channel and continue to be blessed. Create your vision and believe in yourself.